Hi everyone, how are you today? I'm now making a new video how to work with CapCut, CapCut, or how it's pronounced. Actually, this is a program to help you to edit your videos. Let me first introduce myself shortly. I'm Vinny, and I'm making classes and webinars to help you to develop your confidence in your skills and to show you that it's not so difficult to work with some artificial intelligence tools or some Microsoft Office programs like Excel. My lessons are designed with just that in mind to make the learning process fun, interesting, and as easy as possible for you. I would like to jump to CapCut. So I already installed it on my computer. And now we will try to explore how it works together. It's just a normal free version. It's not a professional one. Create a new project and then we need to import the file. And then when we import the file, we can start here choosing what section to cut or to add additional one. Then we can make some preview. Excuse me. And then we can export the video. Let's see how it works in reality. So let's go to beginning and just add a new file. I think we finish with the short tutorial, what's organized by CapCut themselves. And let me close that one. Exactly. So I want to create a new project where I can import a file which I prepared on my desktop. And it's a video from China, Old Town. Let me see where I save it here in desktop also. So I cannot find it. Ah ja, Starý grad na Shanghai. Albo wiesz, Old Town Shanghai open. Okay, now it's 3 minutes and 8. Play. Така, намираме се в Стария град на Шанхай. Бил е много реставриран, защото е бил изгорен. За съжаление, гайда ни не е много, не се разбира много какво казва. Искате ли чанта на кучи, петна на огърлица и така нататък. Разбира се, и най-високия небостъргач се вижда в центъра на Стария град. Така, so we can just move it here. How I have done it? With the mouse, red button, click on the video, and then with control, move it down. Once it's down, you can add then another video if you want. But I want to show you how to just edit that one. So I want to start from the beginning. Let me see here. And then here you can add also a cover, like a short video, which always is at the beginning, and then at the end another one. Or a picture which will cover your video. So I'll make this first picture with some here light color. It should be, it's okay. Replace, select from video. I want to select better one. Let's see where I'm. It's difficult, yeah? No, safe. This was good, what they proposed. Okay, then we go back. With cover design, we are done. We go back to our edition. Excuse me, save first, of course. And let's see, play. This was reversing. No, 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 no. Cancel. No, 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 no. I want to show you how to cut some. So we have a cover build and then we start the video, yeah? В стария град на Шанхай. In the moment when I want to stop or to make a cut, so I put it here with that button to split the video. Then I can, first part, I simply can delete with delete button from the keyboard. Delete and it's gone. Then let's see what's happening. He moved me to the cover design. I wanted just to make the cover design is okay. Okay. Cancel. Okay. Cancel. Yeah, okay, save. Better to be saved. Okay. So now Пекин в забранения град отвън беше нещо страшно. Не можеха да се ползват туалетните. Но вътре в самия забранен град имаш. В Пекин. А тук всичко е много по-лъскаво. Личи се, че Шанхай е много по-богат град. Много по-интернационален. Шанхай означава село на морето. А също и колко хора живеят тук. 24 милиона живеят постоянно и 11 милиона прииждат за да работят. За да работят тук. Сега, ако if I move it. So basically what you would like to edit is to be managed with that line and then that functions here. And the easiest way is to split a file into 2 or 3 parts and then to edit the certain part. Let's see. Now I leave that one and you can just export now what you have. I cut it one. Okay, I can cut the last one as well. So I leave a very short video, which is 1.3 second minutes. You can share or split and make some even small or shorter videos, so you can upload to Instagram, where the requirement is that the video should be very, very short. So export that one. And then here you can also choose the resolution. There are some requirements in different platforms like Instagram, Facebook. What is the resolution? What's the maximum or the minimum resolution? So I used to go to that 1080 and just take what's recommended. MP3 is MP4 4 is better, but you can save it also in a movie format. MP4 is acceptable for Facebook and Instagram for sure. So export. And then you can even directly share. I have here TikTok and YouTube signed to my account, but you can also sign in some other like Instagram and Facebook. And then you can share or you can download the video with export button, and then should be exported in downloads on your computer. The same app is available on handies, on mobiles. Open folder. Искате ли чанта на куче, петна на огърлица и така нататък? Разбира се, и най-високия небостъргач се вижда. Here, actually, it was saved, not in downloads, but where the CapCut is saved. So just take this copy this link and save it somewhere, so you have always the line where are the videos from CapCut. I hope I was helpful, and I want to invite you to join our classes, trainings with Veni. We have different artificial intelligence tool classes. We have Excel, Word, and PowerPoint classes. Welcome. You can find our products on www.coniveni.com/shop. Now it will be saved. Exactly. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.